Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So today's topic is how accurate is the speedometer of the 2018 plus Honda GoldWing. Now I'm not here to pick the nitty-gritty on the topic. The GoldWing is a very good bike, no doubt about it. But recently I decided to go for an Iron Bird challenge, and I said, okay, I might be doing it this year or maybe sometime next year. So I said, before I do that, I went into reading what the challenge is, and one of the things is they mentioned, and which we know as well, that some of the odometers are about 4 to 6% or even less not accurate. So they recommended we to qualify for the challenge, we need to go on Google basically and map out our whole ride on there, because they recommend that Google's calculation is pretty accurate. So what I did is, I decided, okay, I'll do the Iron Bird challenge next year, and I went on an 815 kilometer day trip. So now that's as per my odometer, 815 kilometers, which I did that. And then I came out and I mapped the whole route on Google. So I'll take you to my computer and show you what exactly is it's showing me on my computer with regards to map. So this is the route on the map that I took, in which I did, as per my GoldWing odometer, I did 815 kilometers. And if I do the step-by-step direction, it tells me 794 kilometers is basically what I did. So the difference is about 20 kilometers, but then I add about 9 kilometers from the direction I'm showing here to my home, back and forth. It becomes about 803. And the rest of the difference, I'll explain it to you in a bit. But the reason for showing you this map is, just to tell you what I did in the day trip, and in case any one of you is interested, if you're ever down in Ontario and want to take this beautiful route, you can start off from Toronto and go up, or from Aurelia and then take up, this beautiful highway here, which is Highway 35. Now, this Highway 35 is the best highway I would say I have taken, going up all the way to Highway 60, which is Algonquin Provincial Park. So this is the Algonquin Provincial Park here, and the Highway 60 takes you down from here. This 35 that you see stretching up is the most curvy and beautiful route that you can get. It's a good stretch of, I would say, about 100 plus kilometers, and definitely I can look up here. It's about 94.3 kilometers. Yeah, that's what it's showing me. So 94.3 kilometers of this beautiful road which I took has all the curves, beautiful nice scenic views, and the best of what you can get in Ontario. So feel free to let me know in the comments below if you would like to have this map, and I can definitely share it with you. Let me go back and explain you. So as you saw on the map, that my 815 kilometers ride that my GoldWing odometer showed me was actually 794 kilometers as per the Google Maps. Now if you add 9 kilometers to that, which is my distance back and forth to the route where it's starting on the Google map, it becomes about 803. Let's give it another kilometer to in adjustment, so 804 kilometers. Now 815 minus 804 is about 11.1 kilometers of a difference that's coming. That's not much of a difference, but if you're out there doing a challenge or going for something, you need to have that precision in kilometers to achieve that challenge, right? And that 11 kilometers turns out to be about 1.3% of difference. So that's pretty good, I would say, but it's just for This video is meant just for educational purposes and to help anyone who's out there doing a challenge. So to help them, plan the route accordingly. I know many of you might not look into it as important, and it wouldn't matter on a day-to-day basis. It only matters when you're out there doing a challenge like Iron Butt, where the accuracy and the kilometers are very important to achieve that challenge, right? So I hope this video helps you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if this helped you or this was something in your mind. Feel free to leave your comments below. If you did a test similar to this and found out some readings, and what are your thoughts are. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new to the channel, and hit the notification icon as well so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.